Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then other drugs which have other hypnotic drugs and sedative drugs are, we also have atypical non-benzodiazepines. These atypical non-benzodiazepines mainly include zolpidem. These include zopiclone and zoliplon, and these also include esopiclone. These include esopiclone. Okay, next we have melatonin agonists. Melatonin agonists can be used as in sedative hypnotics also. We have rameltion. Melatonin agonists are rameltion, and we have agomelatine. Okay, then we have 5-HT1A partial agonist. 5-HT1A partial agonist are buspirone. Then we have miscellaneous drugs. In the miscellaneous drugs, we have chloral hydrate, then glutathione, then we also have ethanol. So these are the miscellaneous drugs.
thank you and thank you for watching.